Adding dimensions. Dimensions play a very critical role in the presentation of this project. Yes, we may model the project full size, full scale in 3D in our graphical model in Revit. However, it takes the dimensions in order for it to be built correctly. We must have actual measurements that include the length, width, height, angle, radius, diameter, all those types of things, so that they can be interpreted the same way by everybody involved in the project. So these include people like the cost estimators, project managers, site engineers, contractors, supervisors. Everybody has to be on the same page of what the sizes are, and not only the sizes, but the actual precision that's required to create things. So they know in the details how much precision is needed to create such an item. So we can dimension in straight lines or arcs, but we have two basic types of dimensions. We have a temporary dimension. A temporary dimension is used for placement of objects. When we're placing an object, an element in the model, it's not shown permanently, it's just there while we're placing that particular object. We also have a permanent dimension, and a permanent dimension is one that's there permanently and will be used to present the particular size information and shape information of the elements. So we have different ways, different methods. We can go over to our Annotate tab, and here's our dimensions over here in our dimension panel. So we can have a line and straight and angular. We can have radial. We can have diameter. We can have arc length. We can have a spot elevation or a spot coordinate or a slope. So we have different varieties of ways to dimension things. We can also adjust the particular format of these by using our type properties. Down here in properties, we can change some of that. So we have a variety of ways of doing our dimensioning, and we should always follow our standard drafting practices for our particular industry, such as architecture, when we are dimensioning our Revit model.